What kind of 3D printer do you need? If you're also an FDM 3D printing enthusiast, as you know, consumables are very important. So now plastic pellet printing is here. Consumable costs will significantly decrease. Are you ready? Let's go.
Using plastic pellets for 3D printing can significantly reduce material costs and support a greater variety of materials. The robust screw structure with powerful extrusion capabilities allows for easy printing of thick lines, consequently increasing the maximum printing speed to 200 grams per hour. With ample printing space, you can unleash your creative imagination. Rigid frame structure and 3-axis full slide rail movement ensure precise and stable operation over an extended period. It supports various nozzle specifications ranging from 0.4 to 2.0 millimeters. Using plastic pellets for 3D printing, you can easily achieve die printing and gradient printing, reducing material procurement and inventory costs. With this rich variety of cost-effective materials, you can achieve fast printing and endless fun, turning your imagination into reality right now. Using a rich variety of materials in research and innovation to break through the limitations of your existing materials. Continuous automatic feeding for unmanned printing. Let you quickly realize prototyping for research and showcase your product. A multi-head configuration allows for quick material changes during printing. The performance of the material determines the quality of your printed objects. It comes equipped with 2 standard extrusion heads and the option to customize additional heads specifically designed for different types of plastic particles.
For DIY enthusiasts, using a pellet extrusion print head kit can easily upgrade your FDM 3D printer.
Dive into pellet 3D printing and experience the endless joy of upgrades.